These Grey Brahman bulls hide a secret worth thousands, and almost nobody knows it. Their horns will become some of the world's most luxurious eyeglasses.
The journey begins only after the horn reaches the factory.
But not every horn is good enough to become luxury eyewear.
Only the finest horns survive the first inspection.
Now the real transformation begins. Every horn must be cleaned perfectly. Now comes the most dangerous step. Intense heat makes the horn soft enough to reshape.
Watch closely. 20 tons of pressure will completely change this horn forever.
It doesn't even look like a horn anymore. This flat sheet will soon become luxury eyewear. The frame appears, but it's still far from perfect. Now the human touch begins. Machines can't create this level of perfection. This final sanding reveals the horn's hidden beauty. Every frame becomes completely unique. Now comes the magic. Polishing transforms dull horn into a mirror-like luxury finish. Luxury frames need luxury hardware. Every hinge is fitted by hand. Only a handful make it this far, and now they're ready to become luxury masterpieces. But here's what makes them truly special. No two horn frames are ever exactly the same. That's why these handmade horn glasses can sell for over £2,000 a pair. From an ordinary bullhorn to a masterpiece worn around the world. The next time you see luxury horn glasses, you'll know the incredible journey behind them. Luxury isn't made by machines. It's created by patience, precision, and human hands.